I'm trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Stop it. How to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
What's up you guys, it's Fem. So today I'm filming even more DIY room decor projects because honestly, I am just so inspired right now to just like make my room cuter and cuter. Personally, I really like how the DIYs turned out, so I really hope you guys like them too. If you're new to my channel, then you should totally hit the subscribe button because I'm gonna be filming more DIY videos pretty soon because I'm so obsessed with DIYs right now. I just want to make things all the time. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get started. So for this first DIY, you're gonna need 2 shades of your favorite color. Obviously mine is pink, and I'm gonna mix the 2 shades for the 3rd shade. So it's actually pretty easy. All you really need to do is start with the darker shade at the bottom of your basket and then take the shade of the 2 mixed shades. Does that make sense? I'm not sure. And then make sure you blend it with the bottom part of the basket, and then take your lightest shade and also blend it. So it's gonna be like this faded effect, and it looks really cool. I love it. So for this next DIY, I just got some really cute little triangle pin boards, and then I'm going into my little scrapbook with a bunch of different colored papers, and I'm just gonna be making like little shapes on my triangles, and it's honestly super easy. And then you can just like make a little collage on your wall. I love it. I think this is super cute, and you can like pin little notes on it. So for this 3rd DIY, we're gonna be making this little sunglass holder. So all you need is like a wooden kind of round object, and then with some string, just put it around it, glue it on. I actually would use my glue gun, but I didn't have it at the moment, so yeah. And then you can just like put your sunglasses on it. I think it looks super cute. For my last DIY, I made a little flower crown for my reindeer head, which I actually already made in another DIY video, which I will link down below so you can go make the reindeer as well. So then I just got a bouquet of fake roses, and I just cut 3 of them off and punched, no I didn't punch, I just cut some holes into my reindeer's head. And then I just put the roses, I can't talk, through the holes, and I think it looks so cute. So that's for all the DIYs that I made today. I really hope you guys like them. Let me know in the comments which one of the DIYs is your favorite. I honestly can't decide between the flower crown that I made for my reindeer or the basket. Like, I'm so obsessed with those two, like, honestly. Like I said before, totally make sure to subscribe if you aren't subscribed. Yeah, that would honestly mean so much to me.